Today we're going to do a practical test. We'll use multiple samples to understand the effect of the door lock. First, pick up that door key. Find its position. Here, that amount is blocked. Then this wire needs to be carefully straightened right here. Attach this to it. Use double-sided tape to fix it here. Let's get another piece of double-sided tape. First, cut off a section. Set it aside for later use. Everyone, the ducky's tail is about this wide, so let's try it first. Then we'll bring the servo over. Straighten it out. After doing this, we stick the double-sided tape onto the rack and keep it in this position. The rotating wheel should be all the way to the right so it can turn easily. Then position it right here in our hands. Next, attach our servo. Connect it up. The lighting isn't great, but it basically looks like this. Ideally, you should use hot glue, but for now I'll use double-sided tape to test it temporarily. First, secure this wire in place. Then, keep the servo in a taut position and fix it here. Let's try turning it manually to see if it opens. Just rotate the servo. The suction force needs to be strong enough. It didn't open. Okay, it opened. It just happens to rotate 180 degrees. I'll turn it back. So, in the end, this is basically the effect. I recommend using that hot glue to secure it, or you could drill holes or something similar.